आरोग्य जागृती.
After diet, the next important thing is exercise. I would recommend to do your exercise regularly. As per WHO recommendation, you should do it 30 to 45 minutes, 5 days a week. So if you are at home, don't make excuse to avoid your exercise. There are a lot of exercise that can be done being at home also. You can do cycling, you can do treadmill, and you can also do on-spot jogging. And be active, be physically active, keep roaming around or walking around your home. If you have a terrace, it's good, and if you don't, then also you should remain physically active even at your home. Those who have hobby of dancing, they can do dance. Then stretching exercises, and you can also lift something like even a 1 liter of bottle. It will provide you the weight for the weightlifting. So don't make excuses. Do your exercises regularly. You can also follow some exercises on the channels available for you. There are various online videos that provide you with the exercise. Along with physical exercise, do mental exercise also. Be proactive for yoga, meditation, pranayama, like breathing exercise. That will also be helpful for you for a good mental health as well as for maintaining your full well-being. Lastly, coming to the most important part, that is prevention part, preventing coronavirus in diabetic patient. First of all, for prevention, I would say remove the stress and anxiety that is associated with pandemic, because if there is increase in stress and anxiety, it will lead to increase in blood sugar level. It will be hard to control your sugar level. So for that, what you can do, one thing and foremost thing I would say, decrease the duration of your viewing of various news associated with corona cases. So decrease the duration of the news you are watching, just limit it to 5 to 10 minutes in a day, and don't get irrelevant information on corona, like you're WhatsApping, you are just Googling. So I would say don't become that person. Have the relevant information from relevant sources only, from your doctors. That is the most crucial part. So just allay the anxiety and fear of corona from these whatever news are coming on. Second thing is to maintain good mental health. You can pursue your hobby. The time is now. You know, in life you might be thinking that वो कर सकते थे, ये कर सकते थे, ये रह गया करना life में. You can pursue that thing. You can pursue your dreams now. Like you can pursue reading, dancing, drawing, and even if you want to publish a book, just write it down. So whatever thing is required, take this lockdown in a positive way, and you can come out with just a good version of yourself. Next prevention steps I'll be telling, it will be same as provided by the government as well as for the normal healthy people. So first of all is washing your hands. So wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. Wash them thoroughly from front, from behind, your fingertips, and in between the fingers. Wash them thoroughly with soap and water. If you are using hand sanitizer, it should have more than 60% of alcohol, and that will be the good hand sanitizer to use. Second thing is use a mask. Whenever you are going out, use a mask, and if you are in a place where multiple people are there, then the density is more or more number of people are there, then always use a mask and avoid touching your face. Avoid touching those entries of the virus, that is nose, ear and mouth. So why this wearing mask is crucial? You know, this coronavirus, it has a dose for a successful infection. So it is the 1,000th virus particle that might cause the infection. But like now I am speaking. If I am speaking in front of you, there will be release of around 200 particles. It is not sufficient, but the time also matters. So the time of exposure, it also matters causing the infection. If a person is sneezing and coughing, there is release of around 200 million of virus particles, and that is very, very dangerous for your health. So it's better to use a mask. Don't do self-medication. Contact your doctor or whatsoever hospital is available nearby you. Because in this corona pandemic, there is a lot of discussion about hydroxychloroquine. But if the diabetic patient is taking it, he might go into hypoglycemia. Hydroxychloroquine, it may causes the hypoglycemic episode. I think the video, the tips shared by me, it will be useful for you and for maintaining your good health and happy version of you. Thank you.
एजे न्यूज़ को सब्सक्राइब करें और अगले वीडियो के लिए बेल आइकन दबाएं।